Hello, welcome to the video walk around of the 56-inch NISSAN MICRA SE in metallic blue finish. As you can see, it's got split folding rear seats. And the front view of the vehicle. Contrasting velour interior with 5 headrests. ISOFIX for child seat preparation, and for your safety it's got front and side airbags. It's got electric windows and mirrors. Automatic transmission. Some volume controls on the steering wheel. Air conditioning. AM/FM radio and a CD changer. It's got glass tilt inside sunroof. This was the video walk around of the 56-inch NISSAN MICRA. To book a test drive or for any further information, please give us a call. Thanks for watching.